Welcome back to online English class. This is level 2, lesson 19, which starts on June 8th. This is part 2. Sorry the last video was so long, I forgot to stop. So in video 2, we're working on Unit 10, Lesson D, and Lesson E. You are probably watching this video between June 8th and June 21st. This video was filmed on June 5th, 2020. And a reminder, on June 15th to about the 19th, you will have a test. So let's look at Lesson D. Lesson D is on page 128. Page 128. So we have some kind of message here. Maybe it's it's a post. It's Stella's post. So a post is something you can write on the internet. So a post is something you can write on Facebook. So maybe Celia wrote this post on Facebook. So here's a picture of Celia. She's at a table, a lot of flowers, a lot of cards, some cookies. That's perfume. The card says, "Congratulations." And she's writing something. Okay, so let's read. You can also read here. You can listen here, but I will read it for you. Celia, I had a graduation party last Friday. My husband sent invitations to my teachers and to my relatives and friends. They all came to the party. My teacher, Mrs. Campbell, gave me a card. Some guests brought gifts for me. My Aunt Anna brought me flowers. My friend Sue gave me some perfume. My classmate, Ruth, brought me some cookies. After the party, I wrote them thank you notes. Tomorrow, I'm going to mail the thank you notes at the post office. Okay? So, I want you to answer the 7 questions here. So you can stop the video and answer the questions. 1. Who came to the party? 2. Which sentence in the paragraph states the main idea? The main idea is what the paragraph is about. So which sentence talks about everything here? What is this paragraph about, and which sentence tells you about the paragraph? So we know that this paragraph, this post, is about Celia's party. So which sentence talks about Celia's party? This one. I had a graduation party last Friday. Usually, the first sentence is the sentence that tells you about the main idea. Usually, the first sentence tells you what's going on. So her first sentence says, I had a graduation party last Friday. 3. How many gifts did Celia receive? Receive. 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 Receive is another word for get. Receive means get. So, how many gifts did Celia receive? She received 3 gifts. She received flowers, perfume, and cookies. Okay, cookies are a gift. 4. What did Sue give Celia? What did Sue give Celia? My friend Sue gave me some perfume. My friend Sue gave me is Celia, some perfume. The me here is the indirect object, so we say me, because she gave the perfume to Celia. So we can say, she gave perfume to her. She is Sue, and her is Celia. She gave perfume to her. 5. Who is an example of a relative in the paragraph? A relative. Relative. Relative is someone in your family. A relative is someone in your family. Her aunt. Her aunt is her parents' sister. Her aunt is her relative. 6. What did Celia do after the party? She wrote some thank you notes. I wrote them thank you notes. I don't like saying that. So we can say I wrote thank you notes to them. So we can say she wrote thank you notes. What is Celia going to do tomorrow? I'm going to mail the thank you notes at the post office. All right, on to the next page. Let's look at some pictures. I like pictures. We have 9 pictures and the vocabulary words down here. So these are celebrations. So the first one, there's food on the table and there's a turkey. Okay, Thanksgiving. Number 2. Okay, so we have the Statue of Liberty. We have some fireworks. I'm going to say Independence Day. So we can say this is, let me just use this. This is Independence Day. We can also say it's the 4th of July. Independence Day is on the 4th of July, July 4th. Number 3, we have a wedding. Number 4, a housewarming party. A housewarming party. A housewarming party is when you buy a new house or you move somewhere new to a new house or new apartment and you have a party to say, welcome, this is my new house. Number 5, New Year's Eve. This looks like my birthday. Anyways, New Year's Eve. Number 6, Mother's Day. The day for mothers. Mother's Day is in May, the month of May. Then we have Halloween, a baby shower. A baby shower is a party before the child is born. So before the child is born, we have a baby shower. It's a party for the mother. And then we have Valentine's Day. It's just a box of chocolates. It's Valentine's Day. Okay, this is Lesson E in Unit 10. Lesson E is on page 130. Page 130. Okay, so in the last lesson, we had Celia, and Celia wrote some thank you notes. So this is the thank you note. So here we can see love Celia, so this means this is from Celia. And this says Dear Aunt Anna. So this is to Aunt Anna from Celia. And here is the date. Okay, so let's read it. Dear Aunt Anna, thank you for the lovely flowers you gave me for my graduation. They are beautiful. I really like the color of the roses. Red is my favorite color. Thank you so much for coming to my graduation party. I hope you had a great time. Love, Celia. Okay, so let's answer some questions. 1. When did Celia write the note? She wrote the note on June 30th, 2018. 2. Who did she write the note to? She wrote the note to Aunt Anna. 3. What did Aunt Anna give Celia? Aunt Anna gave Celia flowers or roses. So we can say she gave Celia flowers. She gave I'm going to say she gave flowers to Celia. We can also say she gave flowers to her. We can replace Celia with her because Celia is the indirect object. 4. Why did Celia like the gift? She likes the gift because red is her favorite colors and the flowers are red. So let's go to the next page. So here we have to write a new thank you note. We have the words here and we need to fill them in. So you can stop the video and write the words. Okay, so let's see. We know that this letter is to John from Paula. So when we write a letter, we can say dear. Dear is like saying hello. So dear John, thank you for the beautiful shirt you gave me for my birthday. It is just the right size. I also really like the color. Thank you so much for coming to my party. I hope you had fun. Best wishes, Paula. Best wishes or love is just a way of saying bye. You usually use it with somebody you know, like a friend or somebody from the family. So now let's start lesson F. Lesson F is on page 132. Page 132. Okay, so we have an email. The email is from Tom Louisa to Will Katia. The subject or the purpose of this email is New Year's Eve party. So the subject is New Year's Eve party. This email is about a party for New Year's Eve. It says, join us for a New Year's Eve party. Date, Wednesday, December 31st. 4? Why does that say 4? That's wrong. That's not supposed to say 4. That needs to say time or when, not 4. So it needs to say when or time. So the time, 8 p.m. until 1 a.m. Until is another way to say to. We use this word for time. So from 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. Place, Tom and Louisa's, 76 North Street, apartment 6A. RSVP, the phone number by December 15th. RSVP. What does RSVP mean? RSVP means please tell me if you can come to the party. RSVP means please tell me if you can come to the party. It's actually a French word. It means, give me a second, let me remember. Yeah, okay, I'm correct. It stands for répondez s'il vous plaît, which means please respond. So it means please tell me if you can come to the party. RSVP. So you RSVP at this phone number. So what you do is you call this phone number and say, hi, I can come to the party, or hi, I can't come to the party. And you need to respond, you need to tell them before or at the latest date is December 15th. Please bring something to drink. No children, please. Hope you can come. Okay, so let's answer some questions. 1. What time will the party begin? The party will begin at 8 p.m. So 8 at night. 8 p.m. 2. What does RSVP mean? RSVP means reply to say yes or no to the invitation. 3. What should people bring to the party? They should bring something to drink. They need to bring something to drink. When you bring something to drink, it's called BOYB or BOYD. Let me tell you what those mean. So, BOYD means bring your own drink. BYOD. Bring your own drink. It means please bring something to drink. Here. When we say please bring something to drink, it means we want to share a drink. BOYD means so this party, maybe if you want to drink water, you can bring water. You want to drink wine, you can drink wine. You want to drink beer, you can drink beer. So BOYB stands for bring your BYOD, sorry. BYOB stands for bring your own beer. Now this gets confusing because schools use the same word. BYOD in school means bring your own device. So if you have children in middle school or high school, a lot of schools are doing BYOD, bring your own device. It means the children can bring in computers, tablets, or phones to work in school. BYOD. I know this and this are the same, but they're different. This is bring your own drink. This is bring your own device. When I was in high school, we had a big problem with these two because in high school, we started to bring our own devices to school. We brought computers and tablets to learn in school. But the parents thought we were bringing drinks to school, so they would send in grape juice, more orange juice, water every day. Somebody brings in water or milk. So this is I know it's confusing. Okay, last question. Which statement is true? Tom and Louisa are giving the party. Will and Katia are giving the party. Okay, so who is giving the party? Whose party is this? This is Tom and Louisa's party. So, this statement is true. Tom and Louisa are giving the party. Another way we can say this is Tom and Louisa are throwing the party. Tom and Louisa are throwing the party. The party is at Tom and Louisa's apartment. They are throwing the party. Nobody says giving. I don't know why the book says giving. Tom and Louisa are throwing the party. It means they are having the party. Okay, so let's look at the opinion question. Jose got an invitation to go to his friend's wedding. The invitation was addressed to Mr. and Mrs. Lopez. They have 3 children. What should they do? What? Huh? The wedding? What wedding? Okay, let's just not do this then. Bye-bye. Okay, let's try this again. No wedding. Let's say Will. Let's say Will and Katia have the invitation to the party. So Will and Katia want to go to the party, but Will and Katia have children. Let's say the children are 5 and 6 years old. So they're still small. Will and Katia want to go to the party, but they have small children. And the children cannot go to the party. So what should they do? Well, maybe they can get a babysitter. Babysitter. Maybe they can get a babysitter to take care of the children for the night. A babysitter is someone who takes care of children when the parents are not home. So, Will and Katia can get a babysitter to take care of the children when they are at the party. So that's what I would do. So this is about a wedding. I don't know why. I think it's a mistake. So let's just say Will and Katia have children, but Will and Katia want to go to the party, but the children cannot go because it says no children, please. So they can get a babysitter. The babysitter can take care of the children for the night. Okay, that is going to be the end of the lesson 2, of part 2, because the part 1 was really long. So this video is going to be a little shorter. Sorry, I had coffee today. Okay, see you in the next video.